What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a trade I took on USDCAD earlier this morning. This was a 10-minute binary options put. This is also a signal that I called out for my students. So if we look into the past, we can see right here that we had a pretty strong level of resistance that then became support. So really what we were intentionally waiting for at the beginning was a retest of this level right here to look for a buy opportunity. But once we started observing the pullback, you can see that price structure actually changed. So right here, we're producing higher highs and higher lows, but then at the top of this right here, we notice that we produced a lower low because this is now a lower high. So if this right here would have continued to go up, this would have just been a higher low. But since price never came back above this right here, this signals that price structure is changing. So we actually ended up taking a sell, and we were trying to hit this level down here, this original one that price broke and retested, which we got pretty close with this trade. You know, we were one candle away from hitting it, so that was pretty nice. But at the end of the day, even though you're waiting for something to happen in the market and you have everything marked up and you think the market's going to do this one thing that you're waiting on, doesn't mean that that is actually going to happen. So it's always nice to make sure that you're paying attention to the price action so you can get behind the move if it's going to go the opposite direction of what you're anticipating. So again, we were waiting for a buy opportunity, and once price started producing a structure change right here, we noticed that price was potentially going to start moving down. So we started weighing the pros and cons. We have more information telling us price is going down than we do up. So we went ahead and took the short-term sell, and you can see how price closed down here and we won that trade. So pretty simple trade, just goes to show you that no matter what you want to happen in the market's going to do whatever it wants. It has no feelings about what you want to do in the market, and it'll screw you over every time if you try to do what you want versus what it wants. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions over anything we talked about in this video, just go ahead and drop a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see when I take these trades live and also get a little bit more in-depth information about trading, go ahead and follow me on Facebook and Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.